is a spacious living and dining area. We have your kitchen space where you will be getting two parallel platforms. You can see how spacious your master bedroom is. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Horizon Heights by IR developers located in Andheri East. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project, right in front of the actual tower. You can see the construction is in full swing. The tower is almost ready. You can also have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. And from the both sides of the project, you can lead towards the main road. We will be getting into all the details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now, speaking of the project overview, this project will have one tower of ground plus 3 podium plus 12 residential floors, having 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences. Speaking of amenities, this project has all basic amenities like turf, gym, sky terrace and many more. And now let's talk about the location and connectivity. The project is located opposite to Sher-e-Punjab Gymkhana, Andheri East, from where you have Western Express Highway metro station at a distance of 5 to 7 minutes. Western Express Highway is at a distance of 5 minutes. International Airport is at a distance of 15 minutes drive. And you have school, colleges, hospital all within the distance of 1 kilometer from the project. And to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now, let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. And now, we are entering the 2 BHK of the residential project Horizon Heights. This 2 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 620 square feet. As we enter, you can see this over here is a spacious living and dining area. You will be getting vitrified tiles on the whole flat. You can easily place a sofa, set a table and customize your TV unit in the living. Also, you will be getting half French windows with glass facade for your safety and beautiful standing balcony view. Over here, you can easily place a dining table of 4 to 6 people and enjoy mealtime with your family. Moving forward, over here, we have your alley area that has entrance to your bedrooms, kitchen and common washroom. First, on this side, we have your kitchen space where you will be getting 2 parallel platforms. Along with the stainless steel sink, you can see how spacious your kitchen is. You can also build upper cabinets in your kitchen. And you have space provided to place your refrigerator and your washing machine. Opposite to your kitchen is your common washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Now as we move forward, beside your kitchen is the space of your first bedroom. This over here is the first bedroom. You can see how spacious the bedroom is. You can make this a guest bedroom or your kids' bedroom. You can see you will have walkable space even after placing furniture. You can customize your wardrobe and build lofts. And again in this bedroom you will be getting half French windows with glass facade available. Now before moving towards the master bedroom, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now let's move to the master bedroom of this 2 BHK. As we enter, you can see you have a foyer area at the entrance of the bedroom that gives your master bedroom 100% privacy. And as you move in, you can see how spacious your master bedroom is. You can easily place your king size bed along with your side tables. You can see the space of the bedroom. You will have walkable space even after placing your furniture. You can customize your wardrobes. Also, we are standing at the actual tower of the project in the actual flat, so you can have a look at the actual views. This is the actual front view from the apartment. and you will be getting half French windows and glass facade in your master bedroom. Over here in this corner is your private washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. So this was a 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Horizon Heights by IR Developers. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, have you bought property in this location before? If yes, what are your reviews? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat tours. So everyone, this was a 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Horizon Heights by IR Developers located in Andheri East.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel House.